Imagine waking up tomorrow with no electricity, no lights, no internet, no refrigerator, no phone charger, and no gadgets. Now imagine that all of these could disappear because of one preventable electrical accident or because we continue wasting energy every single day. Every switch you flip and every appliance you use carries our responsibility. Today, let us discover how simple actions can protect lives, save money, and help build a safer and more sustainable future. Electricity has transformed the way we live. It powers our homes, schools, hospitals, businesses, and industries. It allows us to communicate instantly, study online, preserve food, operate life saving medical equipment, and perform countless daily activities with ease. Yet, despite all of its benefits, electricity is a powerful form of energy that demands respect. When handled carelessly, it can become a hidden danger capable of causing severe injuries, destructive fires, or even loss of life. As scientifically literate citizens, our responsibility extends beyond simply using electricity. We must learn to use it safely, wisely, and responsibly. One of the most common electrical hazards is overloading. This happens when too many appliances are connected to a single outlet or extension cord. As more electrical devices draw power than the circuit is designed to handle, the wires become excessively hot. Over time, this heat can melt the insulation, damage electrical components, and ignite nearby combustible materials. Before plugging in another appliance, pause and think critically. Is the outlet already overloaded? Could another safer option be used? Responsible decision making begins with asking these important questions before accidents occur. Another serious hazard involves damaged insulation on electrical cords. Over time, frequent bending, improper storage, or ordinary wear and tear may expose the live wires hidden beneath the protective covering. A seemingly harmless frayed cord can become an invisible threat capable of causing electric shock or starting a fire. Make it a habit to inspect electrical cords before using them. Never attempt to cover exposed wires with ordinary adhesive tape. Instead, replace damaged cords immediately because your safety is always worth more than the cost of a new cable. Electricity and water are extremely dangerous combination. Since water conducts electricity efficiently, using electrical appliances with wet hands or near damp surfaces greatly increases the risk of electrocution. Whether you are in the kitchen, bathroom, laundry area, or outdoors after rainfall, always dry your hands before touching switches, plugs, or electrical equipment. Small precautions like these demonstrate scientific understanding translated into responsible daily practice. Some electrical dangers are not immediately visible because they occur behind walls through faulty wiring. However, your home often provides warning signs. Flickering lights, outlets that feel unusually warm, repeatedly tripping circuit breakers, or the smell of something burning should never be ignored. These signs indicate that something may already be wrong with the electrical system. Rather than attempting repairs yourself, inform responsible adults and seek the assistance of qualified electricians. Remember, recognizing danger early is an excellent example of critical thinking in action. Perhaps the most severe electrical hazard is electrocution, which occurs when electric current passes through the human body. Depending on the amount of current and the duration of exposure, electrocution can result in burns, nerve damage, cardiac arrest, or death. If you ever witness someone experiencing electric shock, never touch the victim directly because you may also become part of the electrical circuit. Instead, disconnect the power source if it is safe to do so, and immediately seek emergency assistance. In emergency situations, knowledge can become the difference between life and death. While preventing accidents is essential, being responsible consumers of electricity is equally important. Every kilowatt hour of electricity saved reduces household expenses, conserves valuable natural resources, and decreases pollution generated by power plants. Saving electricity is not merely about reducing bills, it is about protecting our planet for future generations. Simple daily habits can produce remarkable results. Turn off lights whenever you leave a room. Unplug chargers, televisions, and other appliances when they are not in use, because many continue consuming electricity even while switched off, a phenomenon known as standby power or phantom load. Replace traditional incandescent bulbs with energy efficient LED lighting, which consumes significantly less electricity while lasting much longer. Whenever possible, maximize natural lighting by opening windows and curtains during the daytime. Proper maintenance of appliances such as electric fans, refrigerators, and air conditioners also helps them operate more efficiently, reducing unnecessary energy consumption. Now let us put our scientific knowledge into action. Your performance task is the Energy and Electrical Safety Audit Project. Working collaboratively with your classmates or family members, inspect your home, classroom, or another assigned location. Observe carefully for overloaded outlets, damaged electrical cords, unsafe electrical practices, appliances left plugged in unnecessarily, and opportunities to reduce electricity consumption. Record your observations systematically, discuss possible solutions with your group, and communicate your recommendations through an organized presentation. This authentic investigation strengthens your critical thinking as you analyze problems, your communication as you explain your findings, your collaboration as you work effectively with others, and your creativity as you design practical and innovative solutions to real life situations. Science becomes truly meaningful when it inspires positive action. Every safe electrical practice protects families from harm. Every unnecessary light switched off conserves valuable energy. Every responsible decision contributes to a healthier environment and a more sustainable society. Never underestimate the impact of small actions because great changes always begin with simple choices made consistently. Remember, electricity is one of humanity's greatest discoveries, but it becomes truly beneficial only when used safely and responsibly. Be the person who prevents accidents, inspires others to conserve energy, and leads by example. If you enjoy this lesson and learned something valuable today, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting general science lessons. Together, let us use science to create a safer, smarter, and more sustainable world. See you in our next lesson.